Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at Onshape, and we're going to be creating our car body. So I'm going to type in Onshape, and when I get there, you will be able to go to sign in because you'll have created an account now. So I'm going to go to sign in, and when it's there, it brings up, it automatically remembers my username and password. So your username will be your email address, and your password, which you've created previously, which you need to remember, will sign you in there. So I'm going to click sign in, and it's just loading my page. Now remember, this is cloud-based software, so nothing's installed on your desktop. It's running direct from the internet, so you can use this on any machine. So if you want to work on this at home, you can. It'll be exactly the same at home as it is at school. This is my homepage, and you can see I've got various drawings in here of things I've drawn, and as you sort of go along and build things, they will appear here. What we're going to try and do is do this sort of in the correct way possible, and we're going to go to top left, and we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call that folder car. I'm going to create a car folder. Open my folder there. And create a document now, which should then appear in car, and we're going to call this car body. And it's just going to start loading up. And when you open up your main screen here, you're going to see things here. These things here are called work planes, and they're really important. It's where we start to do our drawing work on. So I'm going to select a work plane to work on. Beforehand, we're going to do a sketch. So we need to draw on the work plane. So I'm going to sketch, and I'm going to click on my front plane there to work on it. I've selected it now because I've got sketch 1, and it's selected the front work plane there. I'm also going to use our navigation cube to make things easier here. So I know we're drawing 2-dimensional. I'm going to click front, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. Select the rectangle tool there, drag the rectangle out there, and you'll notice some sizes there. Don't worry too much. Left click, and when I let go of my left click, that top box will be open. I can type in there. We're going to select a size here of 250, and click enter. And after I've clicked enter, it will, if I zoom out, it will let me change the other dimension or the size. I'm going to change that as being 90, and I'm going to click my tick there. So I've drawn that rectangle. I've come out of that sketch now, and if I go back to isometric, you'll see that I've drawn a rectangle there. I want to edit that, so what we want to do is just go back into and double click on the sketch, and I'm back into it. You'll see that there. Click on front again, and I'm going to draw the very basic outline of a car. Don't worry too much about your sizes, but I am going to use the line tool there. I've selected it, and I'm going to click on a point on the line there and find a point on that line and press escape. I'm going to click a point on that line there and a point there. Don't worry too much about the size or anything like that there, as long as you're happy with the overall look of it. I'm then going to use the trim tool to remove the bits that I don't want. Click that one, that line, and that part there. And you'll notice that I have the rough outline of some sort of drag car. I will leave it there, and we'll pick up the rest in the next tutorial. Thank you.